Hey guys, it's JD from Ponzo World, and today we're unboxing and reviewing this Bluetooth speaker made by BassPal. Now this is a $28 Bluetooth speaker that you guys can find on Amazon. Links will be down below this video if you want to go pick this up. Now in this case here, we have two Bluetooth speakers here. They're both identical, they're the exact same. So let's go ahead and I guess open up the one on the left. This one here, I'll just set it off to the side for now. Let's go and show you around the box. You can see here, picture of what it looks like. BassPal R1 wireless speaker, Type-C for charging. It's also IPX7 water resistant. And on the sides here, not really a whole lot except for the Amazon label right there. And then also some features, USB-C charging, 10 watt output, and a couple of other things right here. It does support micro SD card. That's pretty cool. And then on the back here, a couple more things. So let's go ahead and open this up. Looks like you just pull right here. And well, there it is right there. Looks like we have a user manual. Set that off to the side. And here is the charging cable. Looks actually somewhat long. It is a Type-C, like I said. Let's go ahead and take it out here. Let's unwrap it. And here it is, and actually so far, actually looks pretty nice. It's got decent weight to it too. Yeah, so far I actually kind of like this thing. It's kind of cool. Of course, we'll go in and see how the sound quality is in a few minutes here. But so far, I am pretty happy with it. Yeah, there it is. Alright, so I currently have both of the speakers here actually paired up to each other, so now it has kind of like a stereo sound, which is pretty cool. These are TWS compatible, which is really nice. So let's go ahead and play a song. This is just a song that I made years and years ago for free. Ain't the highest sound quality, but it's pretty decent, so hopefully you guys will be able to hear how good these sound. Let's go ahead and turn it on. As you can tell, they're both playing. Let's go and skip forward a little bit there. And there you go, that's a quick little audio quality test, and I've got to say I'm actually really happy with them. Having two paired up definitely really increased the sound quality quite a bit, and overall, I mean, so far I'm pretty happy with them. Bass is pretty good, they definitely get pretty loud, I'd say, and you know, playing normal songs, non-copyrighted songs like the one that I made, it sounds great. I'm really happy with it so far, especially for the price. This seems to be a very good speaker so far. So yeah, there it is. I guess what I'll do now is go ahead and stop this clip and give you guys my final opinions. Alright, so overall, what do I think of these Bluetooth speakers? Honestly, I like them quite a bit. However, the only, I guess, real complaint that I have is that I wish they had a little bit more bass. Don't get me wrong though, when you put two of these together, bass is a lot better. However, especially with only just one, I do wish it had a good bit more bass. other than that, for sound quality, it's pretty good. You know, it gets pretty loud, seems to be relatively clear. So overall, for a a relatively cheap speaker that is water resistant, can also accept a TF card and also has a TWS compatibility. I would say it's pretty good, again, especially considering the price. So if you're looking for a relatively cheap Bluetooth speaker, I do definitely recommend at least looking into this brand and the speaker here, and maybe even get it if you decide. So yeah, I guess that's really it for this video. Hope everybody enjoyed, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see y'all next time. Goodbye.